Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, those who are attending in online, please confirm to me. Get my voice on screen. Please, guys, everybody, please type in questions box. So all of you get my voice on screen. Is my voice on screen is clear to everybody? Yeah, thank you. All right. Good afternoon, guys. All right, sir. So today just I'm going to give the brief introduction about Java programming language. So what is available in Java, what exactly the content we are going to discuss in Java programming language. All the points today here we are going to understand. After that, tomorrow onwards we are going to see the related content here. Actual content here I'm going to start. But today just what we are going to provide, what are the commitments we are going to provide behalf of this Java course, all we are going to discuss there clearly now. All right. Now, understand this clearly. First of all, now tell me, I'm asking this question to you directly. Java was provided by Sun Microsystems. Am I right? Java is a programming language. It was provided by Sun Microsystems. How many parts are provided by Java programming language? How many parts are provided by Java programming language? Java was provided in three parts. Java was provided in three parts. What are the three parts? What you are aware about three parts now? In general, people are understanding about core Java, and second one is like what their advanced Java, and the third one is like what their J2EE. Am I right? In general, people are having awareness on this one only. Java is provided by Sun Microsystems in the form of three elements. What are the three elements here now? Core Java, advanced Java, then what next one here? J2EE. In general, what people are having awareness on Java. But I'm asking one question to you. Before going to learn Java programming language, at least we have to understand what exactly Java was provided by Sun Microsystems, how many parts are provided by Sun Microsystems in Java, that we have to understand. So here the point is what? Go and come back. No problem. Yeah, please. All right, sir. In Java, so overall, three parts are available. but these three are the not a three parts. These three are the not exact classification in Java. This is wrong classification. This is totally wrong classification, but unfortunately, this awareness is available in outside. But what is the right classification in Java? What exactly the right classification in Java? If we observe this, the very first one is J2 SE or Java SE. That's it. Then what's the first one? J2 SE or Java SE. And the second one is J2EE or Java EE. J2EE or what next one? Java EE. And the third one is J2ME or Java ME. J2ME or what next one? Java ME. All of you understand this clearly, what we are getting there. Okay, fine. These are what exactly the parts which are available inside the Java. Guys, now tell me overall, how many parts are available in Java? Three parts. What are the three parts in Java? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Other names are like what there? Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME. Both the names are valid. Clear? Fine. These are the three parts which are available in Java that we understood there. But what is the purpose of each and every part? What is the purpose of each and every one? What that each and every part is able to provide Java for us. If we come for this, the first one is like what I'm telling to you, J2SE. If we observe this, J2SE, the very first one, few points here we have to understand now. The very first one is like what I'm telling to you. What is the abbreviation for J2SE? Abbreviation is what there actually? Java 2 Standard Edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. J2SE is what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. Clear. But what it will cover? J2SE is a standard edition. Java 2 Standard Edition. It's okay. But what it will provide for us? What it will cover for us? If you observe this point, answer is very clear. It will provide fundamentals of the Java programming. It will provide what are the fundamentals of the Java programming. Only foundation will be covered. Only fundamental concepts will be covered inside the J2SE. Yes, sir. Got it or not? Only fundamentals of the Java will be covered. That's okay, fine. It will provide fundamentals of the Java programming. Good. With these fundamentals of the Java programming, what type of applications here we are able to cover? With these fundamentals of the Java programming, what type of applications here we are able to cover? If you observe this point here, answer is very clear. Observe carefully. It can be used to prepare standalone applications. It can be used to prepare standalone applications. Yes, sir. What applications can we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. Then what is the meaning of this standalone application? Understand it clearly. J2SE in the sense Java 2 Standard Edition. It will provide only fundamentals of the Java programming. By using fundamentals of the Java programming, we are able to prepare only standalone applications. Is it? We are able to prepare only what there? Standalone applications. Yeah, observe carefully. What is this standalone application? What is the meaning of standalone application here? No, understand it? No. If we design and execute any application, listen carefully. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone application. Everybody understand this point clearly. What is the meaning of this standalone application? No, if you design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called standalone application. Right or not? This is the basic awareness on like what their standalone application. What is the meaning of standalone application? Let us see in the form of a diagram here. What exactly the point I'm telling to you regarding this? All right, so the point is what? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, means that no client mission, no server mission, no protocol, no request, no response, nothing else. So only one computer we have to take. Only one computer here we have to take. No client server architecture means that only one computer here we are going to take. Inside this computer, we are going to prepare a project. That means our total application. Our complete application will be provided within the single application. Okay, now this is like what I'm telling to you, Java application. All right, within the same computer, we are going to compile our program. We are going to execute our program within the same computer. Understand, yes, what I'm telling there. Within the same program, we are going to, within the same computer, we are compiling, we are executing our program in the same computer. If my program is asking any input data, we are going to provide input data in the same computer. My program will process that input data within the same computer. My program is giving output data to me within the same computer. Everything is going on with a single computer. It is not with multiple systems. No client mission, no server mission, no request, no response. We don't have any such kind of cases here. So this type of application is called as a standalone application. This type of application is what there? A standalone application. Observe carefully. What exactly the meaning of the standalone application here we provided here? Answer is very clear. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called standalone application. That is a simple definition here. We have to understand clearly. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? Next one is after this, after understanding this content here. Next point is like what I'm telling to you after this. How many applications are standalone applications in outside? Or before that, tell me some examples for standalone applications. No. Do you have any standalone examples are available? What are the various applications are standalone applications? No. Right, sir. Now the standalone applications are like what they observe carefully. Calendar in my computer. In my current mission, calendar is an app, is an application. It doesn't require client server architecture. Even it doesn't require network. So got it or not? That program will be executed within the same computer. So that is one thing. Next one is what there? Calculator. Calculator is also available. It's also an application. It's going to be executed within a single mission. There only we are going to execute our content. Got it or not? All right, sir. Now within the same computer here, we are having a paint. Within the same computer, we are having what the paint. Now I given this paint brush. I'm doing this. This is also an application here for the sake of design. It's also be a standalone application. Like this, so many applications are available about like what standalone applications. So many applications are available about like what their standalone applications. Try to understand it. What I'm telling to know. Okay, fine. These are the examples that are given there. In outside, what exactly the ratio of the standalone applications here we are having? How many applications are standalone applications in outside? If we come for this point, answer is very clear. Only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. Out of 100% of the applications in outside, only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. Guys, understand it what I'm telling you now. Less number of applications are standalone applications. But one point I'm telling to you, observe carefully. What is the point here I'm telling to you? Know, standalone applications percentage is like what there only 5%. No, that means it's a direct utilization is only 5%. Okay, I do agree. It's a direct utilization is what there only 5%. But 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 it is a and it's a dependency level. It's a dependency level is 1000%. Sir, what is this mathematics now? I said you somewhere else like 5%. Now I'm telling 1000%, not even 100% now. What's the meaning of it? We have to understand it now. So the point here, what I'm telling to you, it's a direct utilization is only 5%. Means that by using only J2SE, J2SE is nothing but core Java only, not another one. By using only core Java, we are able to prepare only 5% of the applications only. We are not preparing 100% of the applications. That's very sure. But its a dependency level is what the 1000%. What is the meaning of its dependency level? What is the meaning of 1000% dependency level? Now see this one. It is a dependent. It is a dependent programming language. It is a dependent programming language it is a dependent programming language for all right to learn J2EE to learn and work J2EE applications or J2EE technologies. J2EE is what the second part of the Java. I said to you already, Java is available. How many parts? No, 3 parts here. Now we are talking about only what part here? J2SE. But if you want to go with J2EE, definitely we need to have awareness on what there J2SE means that it's a foundation. Basically, it's a foundation. On the basis of foundation, on the basis of this particular foundation only, here we need to go with what there J2EE. So it's a dependent programming language for to learn and work with J2EE applications. That is one thing. And the second one is what there for, observe carefully, for Android application development, Android development. What is this Android? No, for Android application development, for mobile application development, Android mobile application development. If you want to learn Android or if you want to work with Android, then definitely we require J2EE, J2SE we require. Not only that, if you want to work with the Selenium tool, testing tool, Selenium testing tool, what is required again here? We require again J2SE. Again we require what there J2SE. Next one is after that for Selenium tool. Next one is nowadays maybe another tool which is getting very much famous now. That is what there Salesforce. Salesforce for Salesforce development, for Salesforce tool or maybe development. Again here what we required here no. Here we required again this Java. So like this, so many advantages are available with J2SE part here. That means number of things, so many things for so many tools, for so many things. J2SE is what there is a foundation. Without knowing J2SE, we are unable to do all these many kind of things here. Not only this, just some of the dependent technologies only I'm telling there, but so many technologies and tools here are dependent on or depending on J2SE partner. So for example, SAP, I'm telling there SAP tools, ABAP or maybe some other SAP tools, they required clearly what there. This is a J2SE part. Not only that, Hadoop, big data analysis, Hadoop is another tool here. Even this one is also be required like what there J2SE part now. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? What I'm telling you. So that's why because of that reason here I'm telling to you, it's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what there 1000%. There, these are the dependent technologies on the base of the J2SE. This is what exactly the meaning here we can understand clearly now. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? Fine, sir. Next one is after that, after completion of this particular one, what next one here I'm telling there. That's okay. Now these are about the like what the J2SC part now. Guys, now once again I'm asking to you, now tell me how many parts are available in J2SC? Sorry, how many parts are available in Java? Overall 3 parts. What are the 3 parts in Java? Right, sir. J2SE or Java SE, J2EE or Java EE, J2ME or Java ME. Okay, fine. Can you tell me something about this J2SE? What are the various points here we understood about J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition, abbreviation there. What it will provide actually, it will provide fundamentals of the Java programming. Then what next one here? By using these fundamentals, what type of applications here we are able to prepare now? What type of applications here we are able to prepare now? Only standalone applications here we are able to prepare. By using J2SE, we are able to prepare what their standalone applications. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what their standalone application. What are the various examples for the standalone applications? No, calendar, calculator, paint, and so on. Only 5% of the applications are what their standalone applications. Its a direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is what their 1000%. All right, so now here we are getting some points now. It's a dependent programming languages to learn and work with J2EE technologies for Android application development, for Selenium tool, for Salesforce, for SAP tools, for Hadoop, and so on and so on and so on. So many. That's slightly one point I can specify that. Core Java is a mandatory for every software engineer nowadays. Just only known points only I said to you, but in majority of the cases, what we are having there, in a majority of the cases we require what their J2SC part. In majority of the cases we require what their J2SC part. Majority of the software tools are depending on what their J2SC. Without knowing core Java, we can't do anything in the future. So core Java is mandatory for everybody nowadays. Okay, right, sir. These are the points here we have to understand about like what their J2SC parts can. Next one after this. Let us move on to the J2EE. The second part in code in Java. Overall, you know already 3 parts are available in Java. First one is J2SC. Now the second one is what there J2EE. What exactly the meaning of J2EE? Right, sir. Now first of all, understand this abbreviation here. No, what is this J2EE actually? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Sir, what is this J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Okay, this is J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Clear. After this, another point here I'm telling to you. J2SE stands for what there? Java 2 Standard Edition. What it will provide actually? It will provide what there? Fundamentals of the Java programming. Similarly, it will provide server side programming. J2EE will provide what there? Server side programming. J2SE just it provides only foundation, fundamentals of the Java. But J2EE will provide server side programming. Sir, got it or not? All right, sir, it's okay. Server side programming it is able to provide. Good. By using server side programming, what type of applications we are able to prepare now? For example, by using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. But now the point what I am telling to you, by using server side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications. What applications there? Enterprise applications. These enterprise applications are also be called as now distributed applications. Enterprise applications are also be called as like what they're distributed applications. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? By using J to SE, we can prepare standalone applications. But by using J to EE, we are able to prepare what their distributed application or an enterprise application. Now here we have a question. What exactly the meaning of distributed application and what is the meaning of enterprise application? If you observe this point, no, answer is very clear. Understand it clearly, no. First of all, tell me what is standalone application, sir? What is the definition we are given there? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what their standalone application. Am I right or not? Similarly, what is this distributed application? If you observe this, if we design and execute, all of you observe carefully, if we design and execute any application they're in standalone without using client server architecture, but in distributed application on the basis of client server architecture, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application. In other words, or enterprise application. Simple definitions I'm telling there at basic level definitions now. Again, in the future, we are going to see the difference between distributed application and enterprise application there. Lot of points are available, but at present, at very foundation level, basic level, understand it now. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what their distributed application or enterprise application. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? This is one point here we have to understand now. Let's see this diagram here. Whatever the diagram we prepared there. Now this is what their standalone application diagram we have seen. Now here I want to say this is like what their standalone application. Okay. Standalone application. Now here we can understand what is distributed application. What is distributed application? So client server architecture. Client is what there is a mission here. Similarly, server mission is also be existed. Right, sir. Now these are like what their client and server. Between client and server, what is required here? Network is required. Definitely, if you want to communicate from client to server, server to client, between these two, network is required, protocol is required. Fine. Now I want to say this is like what their client mission, and I want to say this is like what their server mission. At a client mission, we are going to prepare an application. This application is called as client application. At server mission, we are going to prepare another application. This application is what their server application. At a client mission, we prepared an application that is what their client application. At server mission, we prepared an application that is what their server application. Both are Java programs only. Right, sir. Then after this, when we execute these Java applications, when we execute both the applications, of course, in between these two here we are having network. When we execute these applications, now what is going to be happen? First, client program will submit request to the server program. Client program will submit request to the server program. So network will take that request first. Network will carry that request data to server program, where server program will be executed. Request will come to server mission, server program will be executed. By the execution of the server program, automatically some response will be given back to the client. Server program will generate some response now. When it generates response now, first that response will come to the network. Now network will carry that response to the respective client. Right. Now a response will be submitted to the respective client. Now client is able to get response, client is able to display that response to the user. User might be observing that response. So first of all, what is going to be happen? Client is submitting request to the server. Network is taking that response. Network is taking that request. Network is able to carry that request to the server mission. Now here at server mission, server program will be executed. Executing server program is nothing but processing request. When request is processed, some response is generated. That response will be given back to the client. So when server mission dispatching response now, network will take that response. Network will submit that response to the respective client. Network will submit that response back to the respective client. Now client is able to get that response. That's it. Then client is able to display the response to the user. Right or not? Now this is what exactly the meaning of what their distributed application. So let me save this one. Client server architectures here we are understood now. This is a meaning of like what the distributed application. All right. Let's understand to the point here. What exactly the meaning of distributed application here I've given. Now here. Now tell me in outside how many applications are standalone applications now? Only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. But now how many applications are distributed applications or enterprise applications? If you observe this, 95% of the applications, 95% of the applications are distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. Observe carefully. Tell me some examples, guys. What are the various distributed applications now? So many examples are available everywhere, in every domain. In every domain, distributed applications are going on. Enterprise applications are going on. All banking applications are distributed applications. Nowadays, maybe every bank is maintaining their web portal, web applications. Every application from this bank are what they're distributed applications. Next one, after this. Then what next one here we are getting there after this? All social network applications, social media or social network applications are distributed applications only. All social media applications or social network applications are distributed applications. All insurance applications are distributed applications. All insurance applications. Say nowadays number of insurance agencies are available. They are using some applications now. All these are like what they're like distributed applications only. Not only that, all healthcare applications, healthcare domain, healthcare applications are distributed applications. Of course, we are able to have examples like this in each and every domain here. Not only that, all food delivery applications or distributed applications only? What are the various examples? Food delivery applications, Swiggy or Zomato nowadays maybe. What are the various applications for these healthcare applications? Like say for example, in everywhere might be. If you go for some hospitals there, Apollo hospitals or maybe somewhere else, then definitely, then for the sake of tracking their doctors, for the sake of tracking their patients, for the sake of might be, they had their own database there. They want to trace each and every person here. They are using their own applications. Not only that, maintaining each and every patient's health prescription, that means the health details, right, everything. They had their own customers now, their own patients there, maintaining their details now. For the sake of that, they are maintaining these healthcare applications. Nowadays number of insurance applications are available, insurance companies are available. Bajaj insurance or maybe some Tata insurance, like so many insurance companies are available. They are maintaining this. Social network applications or social media applications now, maybe Facebook or Gmail and all the things now. Banking applications there, ICS application or maybe like HDFC application, all these transactions are going on through online nowadays now. Right, sir, like this, so many examples here we are having, but some of the examples only here I'm providing now. Even nowadays, like what their WhatsApp or maybe Telegram, this kind of things. Not only that, nowadays Paytm or Google Pay or Phone Pay, all these are like what their, all these examples under like what their distributed applications now. Is that got it or not? So Java meant for distributed application development. In general, people are thinking Java in the sense core Java in the sense standalone applications. No, core Java standalone applications, their utilization is only 5%. But actual real Java we are able to see in a distributed application development. In a distributed application development only, the real Java application development is going to be happen. But to work with the distributed applications, we require some foundation, we require some fundamentals. That fundamentals only we are going to understand inside what their J2SE part. Right. Now these are the various points here we have to understand about like what their J2EE. Tell me, sir, what we understood there about J2EE. Tell me what is the abbreviation for J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. What it will provide actually? It will provide server-side programming. Right, sir. By using server-side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. That's okay, fine. Now, then what next one you know after completion of this? All right, sir. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application or enterprise application. Right, sir. Next one is, how many applications are distributed applications there? 95% of the application. Can you tell me any example for it now? So many examples are available. On moment, when interviewer is asking this question there, on moment, whatever the applications you are recollecting, every application is come under what there? This distributed application only. Any domain related thing, here we can talk about like what there? Distributed applications. Right, sir. That we can understand clearly. Next one is, after completion of this, point number 3. Third one is like what they now tell me, J2ME or Java ME. All of you guys observe carefully, J2ME. Then what next one here? Java ME. Right, sir. Now point number 1. Listen carefully. Now tell me what are the abbreviations here? No, J2SE is what they're actually Java 2 Standard Edition. Now tell me what is this J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Similarly, J2ME what they Java 2 Micro Edition, not Mobile Edition. It's a misunderstanding. People are thinking Java 2 Mobile Edition, but it is not Mobile Edition. This is what their Micro Edition. Java 2 Micro Edition. Good. Number 2. J2SE will provide only fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will provide server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME will provide micro programming. What type of programming there? Micro programming. Sir, all of you are following or not? Points are very simple, quite simple. J2SE provides fundamentals of the Java, only basics. J2EE will provide server-side programming. Actual application development is with J2EE, not with J2SE. J2SE is only learning fundamental syntaxes and basic definitions only. Actual application development is going on with what there? J2EE. Next one, after that, J2ME will provide what programming there? Micro programming. Gotcha. By using J2SE, by using fundamentals of the Java, what type of applications we are able to prepare? By using fundamentals of the Java, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. By using J2EE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Distributed applications or enterprise applications. Similarly, by using J2ME, by using J2ME, by using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare what type of applications? No, mobile based applications. Sir, if you're following or not, by using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. Clear? What is this mobile based application? First of all, tell me what is standalone application? If it design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. Then what is distributed application? No, quite opposite. If a design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, on the basis of by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is what there? Distributed application. Similarly, what is this mobile based application now? What is the meaning of it? Very simple. If we design and execute, any application, if we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called mobile based applications. If we design and execute any application on the basis of the mobile hardware architecture, mobile machines are having separate hardware. On the basis of that hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as what there? Mobile based application. All right, sir. How many applications are standalone applications in outside now? Only 5% of the applications. How many applications are like distributed applications now? 95% of the applications. Now, how many applications are mobile based applications now? 100% of the applications are what they mobile applications. Nowadays we can understand in every sector, in every domain, mobile application support is available. If we take bank applications, now we are doing that all transactions through mobile phone. Say for example, for ICICI Bank, if you want to do any transaction, iMobile app is available. Similarly, for HDFC, some other application is available. We can do transactions through your mobile phone. Not only that, nowadays maybe food delivery applications now, Swiggy and Zomato, 95% of the people are depending on these mobile applications only for this Swiggy and Zomato. Nobody will use web portal. If I want to open YouTube and if you want to watch some technology related videos there, 95% of the people are depending on mobile phones only nowadays. Very, very less number of people are open their YouTube on their laptops or systems now. Understand my point? Not only that, I want to go with what there. Nowadays might be digital, like what I'm telling there, payments, digital payments now. Nowadays might be not only in India, throughout the world, 95% of the transactions are going on with what their digital wallets only, like Phone Pay or Google Pay or something else. So there also mobile apps are playing very good role. Not only that, entertainment sector, right? Mobiles, now entertainment sectors, in a sense, say for example, Netflix or maybe Amazon Prime Videos, maybe all these apps are available, mobile based only. Very, very less number of people are using what their web portal. So it means that if you observe this, in every sector, mobile application development support is available. So because of that reason only, 100% of the applications nowadays are what they're mobile based applications. But one conclusion I'm telling to you, now try to understand it clearly, all of you know. Everybody understand it. One conclusion I'm telling to you. Mobile based applications, that means mobile applications are having very good demand. Mobile applications are having very good demand, but but J2ME is not having demand. It's almost all dead in outside. J2ME is not having any demand. It's almost all dead. No demand is available for J2ME. But mobile application development is very good. Why? Because due to the number of alternatives for mobile application development. When compared with the J2ME, so many alternatives are available. Best alternative is Android application development. iPhone technology, Swift, like so many technologies are available for preparing mobile applications now. When these many technologies are coming into the picture, automatically demand was reduced for what there J2ME. Now at present the situation is what there, nobody is thinking about J2ME. Everybody is thinking about Java in the sense only two parts, J2SE and J2EE. J2ME people might be forgotten about it in outside now. Java in the sense only two things, J2SE and J2EE. Nobody, now people are not aware about, people are not thinking about J2ME part clearly. So because of that reason, we can forget about this particular J2ME concept part of the Java. Nowadays, everybody is thinking about Java in the sense like what there, J2SE and J2EE. These concepts only we are going to understand part of the Java. J2ME is not at all required. Nobody is thinking about J2ME. Sir, all of you are getting my point or not? Finally, I'm asking few questions to all of you guys. Now try to answer for it. How many parts are available in Java? Please confirm to me. 3 parts in Java. What are the 3 parts in Java? Now tell me. J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. Tell me what is abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What is J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. What is J2ME? Java 2 Micro Edition. Now tell me, J2SE will cover what part? What it will cover? Fundamentals of the Java. J2E will cover what? Server side programming. J2ME will cover what? Micro programming. By using fundamentals of the Java, what type of applications can we are able to prepare? Standalone application. By using server side programming, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Enterprise applications or distributed applications. That's okay, fine. By using J2ME, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Mobile based applications. Okay, J2ME will cover what there? Micro programming. By using that micro programming, we are able to prepare mobile based applications. All right, sir. What is the ratio of the standalone applications in outside? No, 5%. What is the ratio of the enterprise applications in outside? No, 95%. What is the ratio of the mobile applications? No, 100% of the applications here we are able to have. Like this, so many points are existed here. We can understand, yes, what I'm telling you. Know, it's okay, fine. So these are the 3 parts which are available in Java. Okay. All right, sir. Now, anyway, today is a demonstration here, just technology. How many parts are available in Java that are given there. Now, I'm giving much clarity to you regarding what exactly the services here I'm going to provide as part of my classes. Anyway, what I'm able to give commitment to you in the very first class itself, we have to understand all the points here. What we are able to get benefits from these classes here. I'm going to tell you, try to understand it clearly. First point is very, very important, guys. I think no other institute is giving this type of support. Only Durgasoft and especially myself, I'm giving this kind of support. Now try to understand it. No, all my classes are being recorded. Even today's class is also recorded. Every class recordings will be provided to you. Within 1 hour after completion of the class, through Google Drive access, we are able to share that videos to you. Multiple advantages are available with this. What are the various advantages of this? No, I can give some examples to you. In the case, for example, I'm going to take these classes here continuously. In the case if you miss any one class, then tomorrow class is dependent on the previous class. If you want to attend tomorrow's class now, you need to have backup of the today's class now. If I give video, we can watch that video and we can pop up with the second class, next class. That is one punch. Number, advantage number. In the case, unfortunately, not unfortunately, fortunately, in the middle of the course, if you are getting job, you want to leave from Hyderabad, not possible to attend in offline classes. You want to stop these classes now, but you want to continue this course. Yes, these videos are giving very good help for you. Of course, you are terminated in the middle of the class, but you are not attending the classes now. But your videos will be available for you continuously. So we are able to see that videos there. Through at least through videos, we are able to watch the content. Okay. In the case, if you are unable, if you are not able, that means your colleges are reopened, for example, you have to leave from the Hyderabad, not possible to attend these classes now. At least these classes, these videos are available for us. So these videos are giving very good advantage. Even cost point of view also, in outside the same videos cost is almost all more than 5,000 in Durgasoft itself, the same videos. But anyway, then those who are registered for our classes there, those who are attending these classes now, this video support will be provided. Every class within 1 hour after completion of the class, we are able to get that videos. This is a point here I'm telling you. Next one is all my classes material will be provided, both a soft copy as well as a hard copy. For those who are attending in offline, if you want to get a hard copy, it's available in our office there. I think so Xerox cost they're able to take, But anyway, for everybody, soft copy will be provided. For offline students, for online students, soft copy material will be provided. So PDF file for every course, whatever the courses I'm going to take, for every course I'm going to provide. Next one is free access to the classroom notes. Even today, whatever the notes I typed here, I will share that notes to you through Google Drive. I will give the channel to you. How I'm going to share the document, I will tell to you so we can access it. So whatever the applications I'm going to prepare, definitely it's a programming language, not only theory. Programs you have to prepare. More and more number of applications we have to prepare. So all programs I will share it with you. What are the programs I'm giving inside the class now? Every program will be given for you for the sake of your reference. Of course, we are going to do your own practice, but my applications are a reference for you. By seeing that applications there, we are able to prepare our own applications. Next one is, at the end of the course, we are able to get a course completion certificate from Durgasoft. Not in the middle, please remember this. At the end of the course, right, course completion certificate will be provided. All right, it's an authentication for you where you have completed your courses. Nowadays, some interviewers might be asking this question there, where you completed your courses. No, they want to know where they are attending the classes there. So it may be somewhat helpful for you if you say Durgasoft brand. So course completion certificate will be provided to you. Another important thing is what there. I'm totally against for job guarantee programs, this kind of things. No. Why? Because my philosophy is totally different. My philosophy is what there, max level, as much as possible, I have to inject more subject to you. As much as possible, I have to give what there, more concepts, more subject to you. Understand my point, if you are contentful, if you are subjectful, automatically we are able to get jobs. Automatically we are able to get jobs if you are subjectful, if you are contentful. One simple calculation I'm telling there, try to understand it now. For example, you are the student. If you are getting a job in outside, there my calculation is what, 70% of the hard work from your side, because of that reason you are getting job. Trainer participation is only 30%. That credit is not to the trainer, that credit is to you only. 70% of the work if we do, then only you will get job. But 30% of the work we are going to provide. Of course, we are going to provide my work continuously for every student, not separately to you. In general, I'm taking classes for everybody in the normal way. That is a 30%. No, but 70% of the work if you do, then only you will get job. It's a simple calculation. Now, in this simple calculation, now tell me how I can give guarantee on the base of your 70% of the work. If I give job guarantee for you, how I can give guarantee of on the base of your 70% of the work? If you're sitting in front of me, I can monitor. If you're sitting at your hostel, how I can monitor whether you're studying the content or not? So that means what I'm telling there, that responsibility must be come from you. You should take the responsibility of getting the job. Myself is always I'm responsible. Always I'm responsible. Always I'm going to give good quality, good content to every student. Every student is like a child for me. Then I can teach Java to everybody what I know. But the point is what? If you work hard, then you will get job. If you are not working hard, then you will not get job. That is the opinion on job guarantee program. So that's why I'm not believing in job guarantee program. Even on very first day itself, I'm telling there, even though it's a wrong thing, even though people are not interested for this, but still I'm telling there, job guarantee programs are totally blaming kind of thing in outside. Personally, I don't believe the job guarantee program. Now the situation is somewhat dry. Already I'm getting some feedback from these programs there in outside. So I don't want to go for that approach. Even though you are not joined with me, that doesn't matter for me. But the point is what there, if you work hard, then you will get job. But as per my responsibility, 100% of the subject I have to give. From my side, 100% of the content I have to provide. That's it. That's a simple philosophy here, what I'm telling you. So as part of that, I will give every topic of the Java. What some people have given, what Aragil people have given Java, max content, 90% of the content I'm going to deliver inside my class. But my simple belief is what there, if I give more subject to my students, no, more number of students might be selected in the companies from Durgasoft. More chances are available for the student to select in the companies. Yeah, it's already proven the last 15 to 20 years onwards. Same thing is going on. So in my classes, I'm giving clear cut information there. In my classes, my success rate is 80 percentage. My success rate is what there, 80 percentage. For every 100 members, 80 members are used to get jobs. On the basis of what? Not on the basis of any job guarantee program. On the basis of my subject. On the basis of your hard work. The 20% failure case I'm telling now, they are not doing hard work. But from my side, the 30% is as usual. I'm covering even for 20% also. But they are not doing hard work. But remaining 80% of people are doing hard work, so they are able to get the jobs. One thing, one simple point here. If you are subjectful, at any field, at any location, you can survive. See, sir, one simple point I'm asking there. 20 to 24 years of time we spend time for learning process. The moment when we are going to get job, why we are searching for backdoor jobs or maybe recommendations or referrals? No. Don't you have any trust on your career? Don't you have trust on your 22 years of career? Right from LKG to up to now, you studied, right? You spend a time for preparation only, right? For learning process only. Don't want to give any meaning for your learning process, no? But still we are searching for job guarantee. See, who is giving guarantee for your job, sir? Now tell me first of all. Who is going to give guarantee for your job? Who will give accommodation to you about this without having subject? Even with any recommendation, if you join with a company, in that company, what is your survival? How much you are able to survive in that company? How many days you are going to survive? Every day is a struggle day if you don't know subject. But if you know subject, with the subject, if you go to the company, every day is the happiest day. Understand it what I'm telling? That's why my simple philosophy is what there. 22 years of time you spend for a time now for the sake of this learning. Next 4 months or 5 months or 6 months of time, depending on our courses now, then try to do hard work. Our next remaining 30 years of life will be very simple. If you are searching for shortcuts in this time now, your next 30 years of time is a totally struggles. Understand it what I'm saying? Of course, if you spend 3 to 4 lakhs of rupees there in outside, no, you may get jobs in very good companies there. But if you have any such kind of mindset, no, don't join with my classes. The straightforward information. So if you want to learn really subject, you can stay with me. Otherwise, not required here. But the thing is what there, from my side, in Java, 80% of the Java, I'm going to inject to everybody. With that 80% of the subject, you are going to get job. I'm giving that assurance. Yes, sir, got it or not? Fine, sir. Let's move on to the point here. Yeah, I said to you, I don't believe in job guarantee programs, but more than that, I'm going to give environment. The next one is what they're the same thing. For every topic in Java, for every concept in Java, I'm going to conduct some written tests. I'm going to conduct some written tests on every topic in Java. By the completion of core Java, more than 1,000 number of written test questions you are able to have. On every topic, I'm going to conduct written tests. Next one, mock interview is optional. Depending on the strength of the classes, I can conduct the mock interviews. No, But max I will plan for this mock interviews. At the end of the Java, I'm going to take some interview for each and every person. Then where you are lack and where you are good, I want to give that measurement to you so that you can improve yourself. Mock interviews, I'm planning there for it. So remaining things are what they're technology related things, no? Working with multiple databases and working with multiple servers in advanced Java, working with multiple IDs and interview questions part of the course only. I'm going to type each and every point here inside the class. No? There I will cover interview questions. What questions are asked by interviewer on each and every topic. Everything here I'm going to provide. Yes, sir. All of you are getting my point or not? So these are like what they are the point here. Then there is a question now. What versions here we are going to be covered, sir? Yeah, I'm saying to you, my class are totally content full, subject full. So up to the latest version of the Java, I'm going to teach. Up to the latest version. As of now, at present, what is the latest version there? Java 19 is the latest version. Even Java 20 is not available. But market is using only 8, 9, 10, 11 versions only. Software industry is using 8, 9, 10, 11 versions only. But what is the latest version of the Java? 19 as of now. So in my classes up to Java 19 I will discuss. By completing your courses, by the time of completing your course, if Java 20 is available in the market, then definitely I will teach the Java 20 also. It's a matter of one day for me to update that new version there. So I'm able to teach even the 20th version also if it is available before completing your course. So latest version, up to the latest version here, we are able to understand our content. All right, sir. Apart from this, what packages that Durgasoft is providing for our courses? No, what packages here we are providing there? All right, sir. Batch 1, only core Java. It's okay. We can stay with us now. Nowadays, no problem. Batch 2 is a basic Java package. Core Java, advanced Java, Oracle, and basic UI. Basic UI in the sense HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this kind of process now. Complete Java package. Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Springboard, microservices, web services, Oracle, basic UI. Batch number 4, full stack Java, Core Java, Advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, Springboard, microservices, web services, and the remaining content here. Okay, nearly 14 to 15 topics here we have to discuss there. But here 9 to 10 topics, here 4 topics, here only 1 topic. 4 batches are going on at Durgasoft. So nowadays the trending is what there, full stack Java. Every company is looking for what there, full stack Java. 99% of the companies are looking for full stack Java. Why? Because full stack Java developers are having these many technologies awareness now, so they will involve in end-to-end project development. And the company's projects are going to be happen there. One end to another end might be the end-to-end, starting point to ending point. In every phase of the project development, that full stack Java developer can involve, can work. So that advantage is available for full stack Java developer. So because of that reason, every company is looking for what their full stack Java developer. Yes, sir. Are you getting it or not? What I'm telling them. So which batch you require there? Just we can reach out our office there. There we can talk with our admin people regarding this further details now. But my relation with you is what there only technology. So admission process or fee related things, we can reach out our office. Then our office people will give more clarity. In the case those who are attending in online, right, we can reach out this number. Our admin people will give more clarity. Those who are in online there. If you require any information, if you want to get some information about our classes there, and even regarding this offline students also, this number is a point of contact for my classes. This number, we can take this number here if you want to get any details, maybe about my classes there. This number is a point of contact for my classes there. We can utilize this. All right, sir. Then everyday classroom notes, if you want to get no, everyday classroom notes, if you want to get no, we can use this particular URL. Of course, tomorrow we'll again give that URL to you. No need to worry for it. Right? Before going to wind up this demo session here, last point I'm telling you, try to understand it. No, in a core Java, that is J to SC part, inside this what we are able to cover there. Understand it? No, first topic is like what there, introduction part. Guys, understand it clearly. Second one is what there, steps to prepare first Java application. And third point is what there, language of fundamentals. And fourth one is OOPS concepts, and so on and so on and so on. So many topics are available. Last one, 36 or maybe 37th one, Java 19 version features. Right, sir. This is the total syllabus, of course. Just if we complete this demo class, you will give one WhatsApp message there. There in that message, you can see the total full stack Java syllabus, total content. You are able to get it. I think meanwhile might be you are getting it or not, I don't know. But after the completion of the class, we are able to get a message from Durgasoft. There we are able to see the total syllabus of the full stack, whatever the content I'm going to discuss. Moreover, meanwhile, I'm telling there, my participation in the full stack Java is a Java related. Up to Java part I will take. I will be the responsible person. Oracle, Basic UI, Angular, React JS, and all the things are discussed by some other faculties there. Good faculties are available at Durgasoft. They will take it. My responsibility is what there. Half of the almost 70 to 80% of the full stack Java I will discuss that. Total Java stream I will take the responsibility. Okay, leave this part here. Then after this, now what I'm telling to you, out of all these concepts now, actual Java will start from which part now? Oops onwards, actual Java will start. Before the topics are what there? Fundamentals only. Fundamentals only. Answer my point. So because of that reason, what I'm telling to you, tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start this topic, guys. Language fundamentals. That means how to declare integer variables, how to declare identifiers, what are the constant variables, what are the constants now, how to write if conditions, how to write while loop or for loop. This kind of fundamentals I'm going to discuss before this Java, actual Java only. These two topics I will discuss with you maybe on weekends or maybe some other time. Theoretical concept. First one is totally theoretical. Second one is what there, how to save Java file, how to compile Java program, how to execute it. I will show that again. No need to worry for it. These two topics I will discuss with you separately. But tomorrow onwards at 4:30, I'm going to discuss about what there, language fundamentals topic. This topic I'm going to discuss with you and tomorrow onwards. Sir, all of you are getting it or not? These two topics very soon. Very soon I'm going to take some classes for you. Separate classes I will take there where I'm going to be covered these two concepts here. But actual Java will start from what there? Oops onwards. Then before one topic itself, I'm starting the content here. We can feel that tomorrow is the first class for Java. Then we can understand it clearly. No need to worry for it. These two topics I will discuss with you separately. I'll give some other time to you. There I'm going to discuss about these two topics. No, tomorrow without wasting our time, I'm going to start with what there? Language, fundamentals, content, and tomorrow. Sir, all of you are getting clarity or not? So this is what exactly the point here I'm telling to you. All right, sir. Then schedule information, if you have to this at very startup mode, at very starting point, no, per week, 6 classes are going to be happen Monday to Saturday in a startup time. But once if I start object orientation, whoops onwards, even on Sundays also we are going to have sessions. On weekends also we are going to have sessions. In fact, I'm going to take more sessions on weekends. Instead of taking 1.5 hours every day, I'm going to conduct like what there 3 to 4 hours of time I'm planning there on weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, to speed up the content, to complete your course as well as possible. Why? Because Java we are taking. Java in the sense more content is available. So I have to work more. You have to attend more. So definitely on weekends we are planning more classes, but not immediately. On very startup mode, I will not give much burden to you. Once we are in a track, if our syllabus is in lagging, no, if we take more time to complete our content here, then definitely I'll think about it. I'm going to take more classes on weekends also. Saturday and Sundays classes also we are going to be conducted if the situation demands for us. That's it. In the demo class itself, every point I'm giving clarity. Why? Because if I'm not giving this information there, in the future, if I conduct any class on Sunday, people may be pointed out to me. Why you are taking class on weekends? No, we are having holidays. No. Before getting job, without having job, every day is a working day only. If we have job, no, then we can celebrate on weekends, no issues. Then on weekends, software engineers are coming here to learn the courses, no. Why we are going to be relaxed on weekends, no? No relaxation on weekends, no. Why? Because we are not doing anything on weekdays of time. Software engineers are having work on weekdays. They want to relax. But what is the work for you on weekdays of time? So without having any second thought, on weekends we are going to conduct the classes. You have to attend for the classes. There we are going to understand the content effectively. So if I complete your syllabus a bit earlier mode we are able to get jobs. So we are going to understand the content effectively, right? So these are the things from my side here. So I want to stop this session here itself, guys. Then tomorrow I'm going to continue the content. What topic I'm going to take on tomorrow? Language fundamentals, just how to declare variable, this kind of fundamental units only I'm going to discuss. You'll not get any problem. First two topics are independent topics. No, I will discuss with you separately these two topics. Okay, that's all, guys. That's all for today. Then tomorrow at 4:30 we will meet again. Thank you. Thank you for attending demo class. Thanks a lot. Yeah, JavaScript will be covered, sir, in full stack Java. Aditya, JavaScript will be covered in full stack Java. That means in the UI part, basic UI part is there, no? There it will be covered. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.